Welcome to week 35 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 34 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Here is how these funds are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 1% with a CAGR of negative 1%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 5% with a CAGR of 14%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 42%. And Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 35%. My overall portfolio is up 4% with a CAGR of 8%. And for context, during this same period, Sensex has grown by just 1%. Coming to this week's investment, I am investing again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and keeping the investment amount same as week 1. That means if I invested 1000 rupees in week 1, I am investing 1000 rupees again this week. And why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because my other three funds all lean towards mid to large cap. Bandhan Small Cap Fund keeps my small cap exposure alive without over concentrating risk. If this journey is helping you, smash that like button to tell the algorithm this video is worth sharing. Comment the next one you think I should consider. Share this video with someone who needs to start their own investing journey. And subscribe so you don't miss week 36. That wraps up week 35 of Where Am I Investing? I hope to see you next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This channel simply documents my personal investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research or consult a certified professional before investing.